Hello, sunflowers are us.
Hello, could you please tell me when the sunflower is going to come out on your
Yes,
sunflower plant?
Can you hold just a minute, please? Hello, sunflowers are us.
Yes, hi. Could you tell me when the flower is going to come on that big giant sunflower?
Yeah, can you hold just a minute, please? Okay, thank you. Hello, sunflowers are us.
Yes. Can you tell me when we're gonna see a flower on your
Can you hold a minute, please?
sunflower?
Hold on.
And then also,
please,
can
hold
you?
on. Sunflowers are us.
Could you tell me how much sun
can you hold a
and
minute?
water your sunflower
Sunflowers
will
are
need?
us.
What's the difference between a
Just a minute,
sunflower
please.
seed
Sunflowers
and a
are
sunflower
us.
core?
Hello, yes. Can you
Sunflowers
tell
are
me?
us.
Could you please tell me
Sunflowers are
when?
us.
Yes, hi. Can you tell
Sunflowers
me when?
are us.
Could you please tell me?
Sunflowers are us.
Could you tell me when the flower is
Sunflowers are
going to
us. Sunflowers are us. Sunflowers are us.
Can you tell me
Sunflowers are
how
us.
long it?
Could you please tell me
Sunflowers are
when
us.
your
Can you
sunflowers?
tell me when your flower is going to come out on your big giant sunflower?
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.